What do U.S. presidents know about my problems? President Dwight D. Eisenhower, in quoting an unknown source, once said, I have two kinds of problems, the urgent and the important. The urgent are not important, and the important are never urgent. Think about these words. Now ask yourself what this has to do with time management. When looking at the tasks on your to-do list, sometimes it's hard to figure out how to prioritize things. We see everything there is to do, and it all feels important. Here's where Eisenhower proves he knew a thing or two about prioritizing. Some tasks will be urgent. Some items might be important. Yet not everything urgent is important, nor is everything important necessarily urgent. On the other hand, some stuff might be urgent and important. So when you're trying to figure out which tasks to focus on first, start with the stuff that's both urgent and important. Then work your way down to important stuff that isn't urgent. As for the rest, if things aren't important, why are you doing them at all? Mark them off your list once and for all.